In the dark between stars, a lone explorer tunes a cosmic radio and stumbles upon a sequence that hums like rain on glass. First, pulsars reveal precise, unexpected rhythms that glide through the galaxy, hinting at exotic physics and hidden structures of space. Then, a distant nebula releases a haunting choir of ionized gas tones, sparking debates about magnetic storms and quantum vibrations. A rogue planet drifting through interstellar space carries a faint metallic drone that scientists dub a natural percussion from shattered moons. The journey ends with a strange hum near a black hole shadow, inviting awe and speculative threads about spacetime and entropy.